Here at Buxton Mountain Rescue, we're a voluntary organisation and we rely on support from you and from other companies who can help us perform the jobs we do in wild and remote places. And this fantastic vehicle is a result of good comms and good relationships with the people at MAN and Minibus Options. We rely entirely on donations, it being in the voluntary sector as a charity, and MAN gave us a fantastic price on the vehicle. We gave the raw vehicle to Minibus Options. We told them what we needed this vehicle to do. It's mobile too, it's our troop carrier. It takes our people, our personnel to wild and remote places with equipment, drops them off, and comes back and does it again and again and again. So thank you so much to Minibus Options and MAN for helping us and supporting us to get this brilliant vehicle on the road to our specification for our needs.